Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 315, Site Settings versus Settings. We've been covering different aspects of site settings recently in our tips. This week, let's look at something that can cause confusion, the difference between the Site Settings table and the Settings table. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. In the Power Pages Management app, right underneath Site Settings, you'll see there's another table called Settings. What's the difference between these two? First, let's talk about what's the same. Both tables let you define key value pairs to control various aspects of Power Pages, where the name is the key. The main difference is that the Site Settings table also includes a lookup to the website table, which means you can have different values for the same setting on different sites. Anything defined in the regular settings table is the same for all sites. Thankfully, settings are rarely used. The most common settings you might run into are for the setup of the Bing Maps or Azure Cloud Storage integrations. You might also see some settings rows related to the Power Pages solution imports. However, in the vast majority of cases, you'll be using site settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 315 on site settings versus settings useful.